السلام عليكم ورحمة الله طلاب الأعزاء. الفيديو ده جامع لكل المهارات الحساب الأساسية لأي طالب لازم يعرفها. تابع معايا الفيديو للنهاية وأتمنى التوفيق للجميع. Okay? Question number 1. Write an expression which is numerical and not numerical. Numerical expression like 3 plus 5. Any operation like 7 squared minus 2 like this. Not numerical, any expression including any letter like x plus y, this not numerical. 7y, 3x minus 2, this all non-numerical expression. Number 2, you are asked to simplify 8 plus 10 plus 3. A student gives the answer of 18 plus 3. Is this an acceptable answer? No, the acceptable answer is not including any operation or plus or minus or multiply or divide. It's not acceptable. The only acceptable answer 8 plus 10 is 18 plus 3 is 21. This is the acceptable answer. Which final answer will give you if you are asked to evaluate this one? Yes, very easy. Just add. It's better to add like 4 plus 6 first gives you 10, and the 7 plus 5 12 gives you 22. Or you can add in any order, no problem. Which expression is in their simplest form? This is simplest form. This is simplest form. Simplest form. Okay, this expression need to be simplified, and this is including operation. You have to do it. Number 5, which of the following shows what is meant by multiplication is commutative? This one. 8 times 3 is the same 3 times 8. The commutative property exists only in addition and in multiplication, because 1 plus 3 is the same 3 plus 1. And in multiplication, 3 times 7, for example, is the same 7 times 3. But in the commutative is not satisfied in subtraction and division. Which of the following 3 operations are commutative? Of course, addition. Addition is commutative only. Division, no. Subtraction, no. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Divide and multiply. You have to divide first. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And then 8 times 3 is 24. 8 multiplied by 3, and then if you have plus, multiply, minus, you have to multiply first. Always multiply and divide first. Multiply and divide, this is the first step in any operation. And then add and subtract from left to right, this is the second step. Okay, according to BIDMAS. You remember BIDMAS or BOMDAS? 2 times 7, 14. So 7 plus 14 minus 2. Okay. Here you can subtract, no problem. 7 plus 12 gives you 19. Or if you add first, 7 plus 14 gives you 21, minus 2 also gives you the same answer, 19. Here you have to divide first. So the answer is 3 plus 15 divided by 3 is 5, minus 2. The answer is 6. Okay? 3 plus 5, 8 minus 2 is 6. You divide first and multiply also. So 11 minus, just write it, and then 8 divided by 2 is 4, plus 4 times 6 is 24, and then solve it. 11 minus 4 is 7, and 7 plus 24 gives you 31. Okay? Next question. 7 to the power of 4 can be expressed like this, 7 to the power of 4. 8 to the power of 2 means 8 squared, it means 8 times 8. This is the meaning of 8 power 2. 6 to the power of what means 6 cubed, 6 to the power of 3, of course. Write 7 cubed as a product of factors. It means 7 times 7 times 7. If you want to write it 7 times 7 this way, no problem. Dot. Evaluate 9 plus 3 squared times 2 squared. You have to multiply first, as I said before, you add. 3 squared is 9, times 2 squared is 4. So you have 9 plus multiply 4 times 9, 36. The answer is 45. Find the value of 6. This is not dot or not a decimal point. It's a multiplication. Okay, no, this is a dot above line. So 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 3 times 4 is 12. Answer 30. Very easy. 6 minus a bracket 10 minus 4. Do the bracket first. So 6 minus the bracket is 10 minus 4 is 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Oh, this answer. 32 divided by, do the bracket first. 32 divided by 4 times 2 is 8. Answer is 4. 6 times 12 minus 9 is 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. Very easy. Evaluate 5 times 6 squared. 5 times, do always you have a bracket, you have to do it first. The order of operation, bad math. If you have a lot of operations, number one, the bracket. If you have something inside the bracket, you have to do the operation inside the bracket first before you do the operations outside. Number two, if you have exponent like 5 squared, 2 power 3, something like that, you have to do it first. Step number 3, divide and multiply from left to right. Divide and multiply in the same order. If divide coming first, you have to divide first. Multiplication coming first from left to right, please multiply. And the last step, add and subtract. Always or also from left to right. So by applying this rule here, 6 squared is 36 minus 5 squared is 25. So 5 times 11 is 55. Okay? Number 21 is 55. Number 22, 5 times 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 squared is 9. Okay, 45. 5 times, you have a bracket. Bracket inside the bracket, start from inner and go outer. Okay, so this one, 7 minus 5 is 2. And after 2, you have multiply, you have minus. Multiply first. 2 times 4 is 8. So this is 8. So it's a 5 times 12 minus 8. It means 5 times 4, which is 20. Okay. Question 24. Evaluate to do this most easily. What should be first? Here, it's the first one. You have to add. Yeah, add 38 plus 2. This is easy because it gives you 40. And then the 45 you can subtract 45. From 15, I mean subtract 15 from 45. So here is 40 and this one is 30. The answer is 70. Thank you. That's it. Evaluate to do this first. You have to multiply 25. It should be easier. 25 times 4. I commute 25 and 4, and then and associate 25 and 4 together and leave 19 outside, because 4 times 25 is 100. And 100 times 19 gives you 1900. So it's easy. Always do the operation that gives you just an easy number like 100 and 200, like 1,000, something like that, like a 10, like 0 if you can get 0, no problem. Which of the following is correct? 6 multiplied by 2 plus 3. 6 times 2 plus 6 times 3. Yes, this one is correct. Because the distributive property, we distribute the multiplication over addition. Look. Here also what happened? 6 times 2, he already multiplied 6 by 2, 12, and then multiplied 6 by 3. Even this one is correct. Here he applied bad math. He goes inside the bracket and then add 2 and 3 first. Oh, it's okay. This one, 6 times 2 plus 18. 6 times 2 is written, and then 6 times 3. Yeah, all is correct. This is all correct. Number 26. Okay. 27. Which of the following is correct? 4 times 8 minus 5. 4 times 8 minus 4. Yeah, the distributive property is correct. 4 times 8, 32. Minus 4 times 5, 20. Even this one's correct. He applied bad math. Subtract first. 8 minus 5 is 3 times 4. Yes, even this one's correct. 4 times 8 written. It's correct. Minus 4 times 5, 20. Correct also. Here distributed from right side. It's okay, all correct. Yeah, it's all correct. Number 27. Evaluate 35 times 99 to do this easily. What should the first step to be? The first step here to do it easily, just multiply, make a 99 100 minus 1. This is the step, because the answer will be 3500 after using distributive property. Minus 35, thank you, that's it. 34 and 65, easy. Which of the following is correct? Okay, 6 times 8 and 6 times 4 is incorrect. We never distribute multiplication over multiplication. Never do this. I can remove the bracket. Yes. Yes, I can. I can write it just 6 times 8 times 4, no problem. I can pick 2 of them and multiply. Yes, you can. Yes. 4 times 8, 32 times 6. Yes. 2 and 3 correct. Which of the following is correct? 9 over 1 plus 4 is 9 over 1 plus 9 over 4. Is it true? No. Incorrect. Number 30 is incorrect. We cannot divide here, distribute division over 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 over 9, 1 over 9, this one is correct. Because 1 plus 4 over 9, it's originally 1 over 9 plus 4 over 9. So it's correct, but we go this way. Okay? 9 over 1 plus 4 is, no, he commute between the two amounts in division. We cannot commute in division. This is incorrect. So only number 2 is correct. Okay? Which of the following is correct? 8 divided by 5 plus 4 can be written this for no problem, of course. Okay? 6 plus 4 over 8 can be written, yeah, it's no problem. 8 over 6 plus 4 is the same. No, you cannot commute in division. You cannot. A divided by B is not the same B divided by A, of course. Of course. Simplify, yes. When you simplify operation in the form of a fraction, apply BIDMAS on your numerator and BIDMAS in denominator if you have many operations you have to do, and then simplify the fraction or divide numerator by denominator if it was divisible. 7 plus 5 is 12. 30 minus 6 is 24. The simplify is half. Do this one. 6 plus 3 is 9. 36 plus 1 over 15 plus 3 is 18. Then simplify this fraction first by dividing by 9 up and down. You will get 1 over 4 plus 1 over 18, and then you can solve it. Yeah, you can solve it by just the common denominator is 36. 36 divided by 4, 9 times 1, 9. 36 divided by 18 is 2, 2. The answer is 18 over 36, which is half. Which is half. 9 over 36 is really half. You have to be correct now. No, I'm sorry. 2 plus 9 is 11. I'm sorry. 11. 2 plus 9 is 11 over 36. This is answer. Okay. One over 4 plus 1 over 18. Oh yeah, never. Yeah, 11 over 36. Okay. Question number 34. This one, look, 4 times 3 minus 6 over 4 plus 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 12. This is 12 minus 6 is 6. And this is 13. 6 over 13. Yeah. Okay. Next one, which of the following is 11 over 36? Yes, it's correct. Which of the following is correct? In number 35, look at this one. 16 times 24 times 8, all divided by 8. You can divide only 8 by 8. Yeah, this is really, if you try to just write it in a fractional form like this, yes, 8 divided by 8 is 1, this part. And you have still 16 and 24, yes. Here I can divide only 24 by 8, yes, and keep the other numbers. I can divide 16 by 8 and keep the other numbers, yes, of course. I can leave these numbers and then divide by 8 means multiplied by 1 over 8 even, yes. So all options now are correct. To simplify 36 times 7 over 4 most easily, what should the result be after the first step? Look, 36 times 7 over 4. Don't multiply 7 by 36. So what we have to do? you have to simplify. Divide by 4, 1, divide by 4, 9. The answer is 63. Look at this one. I want to simplify such expression. You have many ways to solve this one. How? Look at this one. Answer here, 36. Okay. Look at this one, please, and follow me. This one. 60 is 2 times 8. Yeah, I can write it 2 times 8 times 36. I can make it 6 times 6 and then times 6 again. The 56 from a table is 7 times 8 also, and the 12 is 6 times 2. Yes, I try to factor each number until I have similar numbers up and down. So the 6 divided by 6 is 1. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 2 divided by 2 even 1. So you have 6 and 6, 36, and 7. Thank you. That's it. I can make it mixed number. 36 divided by 7 is 5, and the remainder 1 over 7. This is the final answer. Of course, the mixed number is the simplest form, better than 36 over 7. It's an improper fraction, as you know. Simplify 30. Yeah, you can also simplify. Look at this one. 30 and 15 can be divided by 15, gives you 2. Yes? And 2 times 3 up here gives you 6, the same 6 down, so you can cancel here. So you have 11 over 13. Thank you. The final answer. Easy, very easy, amazing. Yes? Yes. This one, 14 plus 8 times 3. 14 plus 8 times 3 is 24. Over the sum down is, to with most easily, this 41. What you have to do in this one, yeah, you have to multiply first this one. Yeah. So I don't have any. 41 is a prime number. I cannot simplify it with any other number. So just leave it. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 over 38 over 41. And it's really a proper fraction. No simplification. Look at this one, number 40. To simplify 9.4 over 2.5, most easily to multiply up and down by, what's your operation here? What's your opinion to do this? What should the result be after the first step has been? Yeah, you can multiply by 10 up and down to remove the decimal point. Yeah, or you can multiply only by 4. Why not? 9.4 over 2.5. What happened when you multiply by 4 over 4? You will get 10 in denominator. Yeah, it's amazing. What happened when you have 10? It's easily to make it a decimal number. 4 times 4 is 16, carry up 1. And 4 times 9 is 36, plus 1 is 37. Now, if you divide by 10, simply write 3.76. Yeah, thank you. Wow, it's very easy. Amazing. Which of the following is correct? Number 41. 36 plus 24 all over divided by 5. So each one is divided by 5? Yes. Yes, it's true. The sum divided by 5 means you can add first. Why not? Why not? 6 plus 4. Yeah, it's correct. This sum divided by 5. It means 36 only divided by 5 and 24 not? Of course no. Of course no. This is like something. 36 apples and 24 bananas. I want to share with 5 persons. So the 5 persons should share the apples and also share the bananas. It means 36 over 5 plus 24 also over 5. This is the meaning of this division. Which of the following is equal to 60 divided by 12 plus 18? 6 over 18 plus 6 over... No, never. I cannot split 6 into 2 sixes. It's only 1 6. No, I cannot. 6 over 30. I have to add first. Of course, you can add first. According to math, you can add first. I mean, 60 divided by 12 plus 18, I have to add. And 6 over 30 is 1 over 5? Yes. 30 over 6? No. If one question is answer 1 over 5, never be 5. Never be its reciprocal. So 42 here, the answer only is B. Tamara bought 24 colored pencils. 3/4 of them were short. How many short pencils? did she buy? 3/4 of them. This is 3/4 of 24 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, 6. It's 18. Okay, easy. Yes, a fraction of a number, just multiply that fraction by a number. A fraction, we mean a fraction by number, a part of this number, 3/4 of this number. John 70 has 70 marbles. Nora has 5 marbles more than John. How many marbles does Nora have? It's very easy, 75. Nora has 5 marbles more. 5 marbles more plus than John. John has 70 plus 70 is 75. Lily has 65 merit stars. Alex has 10 merit stars. Less than Alex. How many merit stars does Alex? So less. 65 minus 10 is 55. Question 46. 153 diminished. 153 minus 6. Answer 147. 48 decreased by 6. 48 decreased by 6 gives you 42. The sum of 3 consecutive numbers 147. The numbers are very easy. Very easy. Sum of 3 consecutive numbers. Let the numbers n minus 1 and n plus 1. The sum of them, if you add these numbers, the sum of them must be, if you add, you will get 147. Yes? The sum of these numbers, n minus 1 plus n plus 1, 147. You have 3 n's now. The sum, and 1 plus negative 1 is 0. So the 3n is 147. So the 1n only, by dividing each side by 3, you get 4 and 9. N is the middle number, 49. The next number will be 50. The previous number will be 48. Thank you. Third odd number after 66. 66 is an even number. The next odd number is 67. The one after is 69. The one after is 71. This is the third odd number after 66. 8 more than half of 18. 8 more than half of 18. That's it. It's 8 plus 9, which is 17. Yes. This is the last question for today. Thank you so much for following up me. Thank you. Goodbye.